this afternoon. We're at Cato Middle School in Bakersfield. And with us this afternoon, we have Yunique. And how are you today?
Good.
Are you in 7th or 8th grade?
8th.
8th grade at Cato Middle School. Do you know where you're going to high school next year?
East.
East High? All right. Well, you'll be a Blade next year. Cato is what? The Cato
Cavaliers.
Cavaliers. All right. Well, let's get ready to do a math problem. Are you ready?
Yes.
All right. I'll read the problem to you. Any information that you think you'll need, you can go ahead and write up on the smartboard.
Okay.
Okay? At the farmer's market, you can buy 3 melons for $10.50. $10.50 was the price for 3 melons. 6 melons for $21. Or, if I was going shopping, 9 melons for $31.50. All right. The only thing that I want you to do, Yunique, is you've got the dollar sign on there, but what we'll do is we'll put it on the other side of the number so that it is on the side of the 3 and the 2 for showing dollars.
Okay.
Okay? So why don't you just go ahead, grab the eraser, we'll erase those dollar signs where they're at. There you go. And actually, you can leave the dollar signs on if you want, but the way we're going to do the problem right now, we can leave it as is.
Okay.
Okay? So let me read the problem one more time and make sure you've got all of the information you want.
Okay.
At a farmer's market, you can buy 3 melons for $10.50, 6 melons for $21, or 9 melons for $31.50. The question is, what is the constant of proportionality for buying melons?
Okay.
So what are you going to do? What are you doing right now?
I'm dividing it to find the price of 1.
Okay, so you want to find the price of 1 melon.
Yes.
Now, if you want to go $10.50 into 3,
Oh. Yeah. So
you want to do it the other way?
Yeah.
There you go. All right. So now you've got $10.50 divided by 3. Perfect. All right. Okay, where did you get the 1 from?
I was going to 5.
Okay, well, let's take a look at it quickly here because you went 3 times 3 was 9. You subtracted and you got 1. You brought the 5 down, so 3 went into 15 5 times.
And then I meant to put the 0.
Right, there you go. Now, the only thing I want to ask you is about your decimal point.
Yeah. It's supposed to be after the 3.
Okay, so you can go ahead and fix that. So you know exactly what you were doing.
Yeah.
You can just erase that whole 350, and that way you can rewrite it again neatly. Okay, so when you buy 3 melons at $10.50, you're saying that 1 will cost you $3.50.
Yes.
Is it the same for when we buy the other melons? That's what the question is trying to find out. Is it the same rate?
I'm going to see if this one is the same as
Okay. Now, if you want to, what we can do is we know that this is $3.50. All right, so how about we get rid of this? And how about if we go red and just put $3.50 up next to that? So that we know what it is for 1 when we buy 3 melons.
Okay.
All right, we'll go back to your blue. Now let's do the 6 and the $21.
Okay. Wrong way.
Same thing as last time, huh? It's okay. So now you've got $21 divided by the 6 melons. Okay, go ahead. Perfect. Good.
So it's going to be 350.
It'll be just another 0 at the end, right? So the rate is still going to be 350.
Yes.
All right. So let's go ahead. We'll get rid of this. All right. So let's go ahead and put up in red again. The rate for the 6 for 21
Is 350.
is 350 as well. So why don't you just go ahead and put it near that 6 for 21? And that way we'll keep track of it that way. We'll go back to your blue. Now finally, what do you think the rate is going to be for these?
350.
Let's just think about it. Do you think if you went 9 times 3, what is that?
That's 27.
Okay, and it's going to be a little more than 27, isn't it? Because we have the 50 cents on the end of it. So let's just go ahead and make sure that it is 350 for that rate.
Okay.
And 350 it is.
Yes.
So once again, what is the constant of proportionality for buying melons?
The constant
Proportionality.
is 350.
Yunique, excellent work.
Thank you.